Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Motors and Mayhem. Today we will be fitting the wheels to the budget MX-5 drift car. Just about to put it on the ramp. Here she is. So we've got some new wheels for that. He's just been and picked them up, so we'll reveal those bad boys to you. Go on then, Jace, open it up. We've got a full set of these. He's just nearly missed the ramp because he's a penis and he can't wait, so that needs moving. There they are. Have a look at your car and now look why you get guided on, you knobhead. Reverse it off. Never seen anybody do such a bad job of getting on a ramp. Just go straight. This man's a lunatic. Straight. He's not allowed to drive when he puts a car on the ramp again because that was petrifying. Right, so the Mark III MX-5 is up on the ramp, and the front, surprisingly, is a perfect fit. These little NKs he's picked up, front's perfect. Perfect. Once he's got some cut knuckles on, might need to put a bit of a spacer on it, but yeah, decent little find them. NK circulars or something, circulars, I can't read it. They were chrome once upon a time. Yeah, got black ones there, black ones need some tyres. We got Jace helping today. Yeah, that's that one on. With the Max Pedo coilovers in there, if you can see them. So, this is going to get welded diff, hydro. What else are we going to do to it? Some destroy or die, cut knuckles. Just waiting back for a reply from those guys. Maybe some cut knuckles. Some rack spacers. Bucket seat, just the standard stuff. Maybe like a little lip kit. And then Mike's going to have to sort the exhaust out after he decided to take the back box off the other day, but that's light work. 2 90-degree bends probably, a little bit of straight section, be sweet. Yeah, all good stuff. We'll move on to the back now. Right, so we've fitted the wheels. I've just lowered the back of the car a bit more. I had to put shitloads of droop on it because it was as low as it could physically go, but it wasn't low enough. Still had like a fist of arch gap, even going up to a 17-inch wheel. So we're now going to lower the front, and then we'll take a look at it, see what the fitment's like. Doesn't want to be crazy low because it still needs the arches rolling and stuff, but yeah. What do you think, Bryn?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
You happy?
Yeah, very happy. We're just going to bring that on the front a bit, aren't we?
Yeah, not bad them. Need a little bit of a clean up, but 400 quid. They're actually like perfect fitment, aren't they? Yeah. What do you think? It's what?
Sick.
Sick. Right, so we pissed around with some ride height on Bryn's car, but we got the wheels on. She needs to go a little bit lower, but she needs some arch work, she needs a roll and stuff, but there she is. Don't look too bad, to be fair. See, offsets are pretty fucking spot on, really. Nothing too mental. See with the rears as well. Little bit of poke, little bit of camber, but under here, if you can see it, we've got a massive lip that's like yay big, so we've not got much space in there. So that needs a little roll and we can come lower, probably line it up here. We're spot on. She definitely needs a wash. Yeah. Not bad. What do you think, Bryn?
Okay.
Looks way better than it did. That's for sure. Go on, give us a Slav squat in front of it for a thumbnail.
What?
In front of it there. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. One of them. Oh, beautiful. Get a nice thumbnail with that.
So, the next thing on the drift slag. So, I don't think Matty filmed it, but they did fit some Max Speedo coilovers, which I believe all well. And then the man here went to go pick up these little bad boys, which transformed the car really. Looks loads better and it's sat pretty now. So the next thing to do on the quest to skids is obviously weld the diff, which has been done and is somewhere. Ah yeah, there she is. So Matty took it into work and cut out some plates and welded it up properly, so it's plated, full of weld, good to go. And then we'll throw this back on the car. Hopefully it don't take too long. Fill it with some oil and maybe go for a test drive. So yeah, that's where we're at. So Bryns jacked the car up, got everything ready to go back on. Stupid MX-5 fucking subframe cross member thing. I remember these from when I had my one, and it's a bit shit, but it's not too bad. Just got to remember how it goes. So yeah, I'll set the camera up somewhere and get a time lapse on the go. Alright, so we've managed to muscle the diff in. Took a little bit longer than expected.
Worst diff ever.
And another member of the crew rocked up. We're getting there. We are getting there.
Whatever size this is. Just need it.
Mounts on, don't know what you can see. I'll up the brightness. And then, yeah. Gonna put everything back together there. Welly that shaft in properly once these rear mounts are on, and we shall carry on from there.
Need a 17mm ratchet.
So here we go, the final stride, everything's back together. Mate's just filling it. Next! Fun job.
Don't buy a fucking Mark 3 MX-5.
Unless you're paying other people to do it. You can't tell, but Bryn has no mechanical knowledge whatsoever. He struggles just to undo a bolt. Don't know anything else.
We'll get him there.
We will get him there. It'll be a fully fledged, qualled up army mechanic by the end of our course. And he'll be able to send backies. Oh, there she goes. Filter spill, and she is a spilling. Ready to go send some fat skids. Ah! I shotgun am not passenger. Why not? Yes. So we just finished Bryns Diff and we're off to our secret location now to go and test it pretty much. So I can give him some pointers if he needs them and see how he gets on basically. It'll only be slow speed, first gear stuff more than likely. I doubt he'll do any second gear stuff because realistically his car in this sort of dry weather probably hasn't got the power, especially for somebody that has never skidded a car before. So yeah, we'll see if he lets me jump in and then maybe show him a couple of things, or sit in with him and show him what he needs to do. But yeah, I'll start filming when we get there. Location. There we go. Bryns' first little skid. Get used to how it works. Completely different from obviously one is never skidded, and two, it's his first time with a welding diff. So we shall see.
Stiff as fuck as well.
Yeah.
Like turbo stiff.
Yeah.
Hit a bump down there, mate. But like,
it looks understeery. I think come off a few clicks on the front and see how you get on. Help with it. How did you find that?
They are bold as well.
Yeah. How did you find it? That's fun. Got a knack of it already?
I was like, turn power, turn power, turn power.
Simmage that.
Got a little bit of sim, yeah. Oh, I need to get on my sim more, don't I?
That's like got 60 clicks on that.
There's a lot of tricks on it. Cheapo Maxo speedo rods.
Right, just bounce on it, see if that's softer. Is that harder? Okay. I was on full to the left.
Okay.
Try that. They were full to the right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be sick, I can't stay in there any longer.
Just go one way.
Yeah.
Did you tell him to try and go around that little island?
Yeah, I said watch it.
Yeah.
I didn't know where he was going.
Keep a lookout of his temperature gauge.
Nope.
I would say I'm almost confident to stand in the middle.
No, I'm not.
Let's go! Hands out the window and everything. Just one thing to note. Does your temperature gauge not work?
Why?
Oh no, it's oil, isn't it? Oil.
It's oil and
Yeah.
right.
Just when you do skid, because it's quite slow, just keep an eye on your temp gauge, because they can tend to get hot quick. Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
What's the oil? Low or high? Is that pressure?
So Bryns Diff, I think it's fair to say a success.
Yep.
He's happy. I don't think I've ever seen him smile that much since I've known him, which ain't been long. So yeah. We have got a bit of a leaky diff, but we shall attend to that and sort it out. But yeah, till the next episode.
Let's see if you can do a burnout.
Oh,
I'll do that.
Rev it up, dump
Hold.
the clutch, and then put your left foot on the brake.
not too much though, just a little bit.
Well, you got like take your handbrake off, rev it right up. Dump the clutch, and then put your left foot on the brake.
Dump the clutch.
And just drop it, just let it out as fast as
Let
you
it
can.
out.
Yeah, rev it right up.
Left foot on the brake.
Rev it right up.
Keep the revs on.
Yeah, rev it right up. Rev it more.
Too much brake.
Oh.
Too much brake.
Right.
A little bit, just enough to keep you there. Probably not enough power. Not enough power. On that note, bye.